How to fix Google Drive link error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive link error on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again and here type drive and then click on it and now go to storage, clear cache and then click force stop and here you will find permissions and now allow storage, this one here, allow it and go to data usage and allow mobile data. You will find it like that. Click on it and click allow and then just go back and that's it. Now restart your phone and click restart and now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.